For the more advanced user, ZBrush gives you the option to record multiple strokes and play them back. This can be particularly handy when looking for a specific look. So for example, if I were to change to a Damien standard brush here and make some strokes, if I were to now go back and try and pinch those strokes, I'm relying on my muscle memory to get these shapes to be correct. So rather than do that, if you go to the stroke menu, you'll see at the inventory pull-up, you can choose to record a stroke. When you hit record here, it will record all of your following strokes. So if I change to my Damien standard brush and I go to stroke, inventory and hit record, when I do my strokes here like this, whatever shape I might want to do them, if I now want to go back and pinch each of those strokes, I can just change my brush to a pinch brush, go back to the stroke, you'll see it's recorded that there were 3 strokes, so I just hit replay all and it will now run over all of those 3 strokes with my pinch brush. If I now want to change to, for example, an inflate brush, I can do that as well and go back to stroke and replay all and it will inflate those strokes. So handy for a specific look that you might be looking for. Then you can just go back in and smooth out areas that might be useful. Hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe if you find these tips useful. Cheers, bye.